In this video, we will learn 4 scales, the C, D, E, and F first octave scale. Starting with C, there are no sharps or flats, so every single note will be natural. Starting on low C, G3, starting after the count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one will be the D scale, first octave, starting with open D, E, D1. Keep in mind 2 sharps, F sharp, C sharp, starting after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one will be the E major scale. 4 sharps, F, C, G, and D. Again, keep in mind with all the scales we're doing, use your 4-finger for open notes. Starting with E. D1, low E, after the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last one is the F scale. Instead of sharps, we have 1 flat, which is B flat. All the other notes will be natural, starting on F, D, D2, starting after the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.